everybody, it's Jennifer and I wanted to show you a brand new product line that JuvaBun has come out with. It is hair care for our extensions. Check this out, you guys. They come in this cute little packaging. So adorable. It comes in with these little boxes back here, but I've already removed them. And as you can see, it comes in this little jute bag. Absolutely adorable. I love that they take the time to spoil us and make us feel extra special. So what we have here is a shampoo that's going to help clean the extensions from the hair products that we use and add a little bit of shine to it, and a little bit of serum for afterwards to help style and again add that little bit of extra shine. So I'm going to go ahead and show you today how to use that. And then this is the brush from JuvaBun. So I'm just going to show you how I prep my extensions for use. Now this is the straight bun. You can see that it's a little unruly and ready for some loving. So what I do is I go ahead and give it a quick little comb through with my brush to remove any tangles. And if you don't have a brush already, you're going to want just to try using your hands. Super easy. And what you're going to do is you're going to get a bowl of cool water. See how easy this comes right through. I love this brush. I have some really good brushes for myself, but I love this one because I know that it's safe for the extensions and it's not going to harm them. So what you're going to do is you're going to get your bowl of cool water. You're going to comb through your extension, put this down. You're going to take your shampoo here. You're going to add about a tablespoon of the shampoo, like so, to your water. Stir it around. Just gently stir it in there. It smells really good, you guys. Okay. And I have two towels here, so I'm just going to take this one off the top. Set that right there. And then you're going to take your JuvaBun. You're going to go ahead and slide that right into the bowl and just set that into the water and just let that soak for about 5 minutes. Okay, so once that has set in there for about your 5 minutes, you are going to rinse it in the same water if you want to, or you can get cool water. You just don't want to pull and poke at it a whole lot. Okay, you just want to be real gentle with it. Make sure that you rinse it out, get all that hair product out of there. Make sure you rinse it super well, get all the soap out of there. And once you're done, you're going to place it on a towel. I have two piled up just like so. And it smells so good. I love it. I love fresh, clean hair. And you're just going to dab it, okay, and let it dry. And then once it is about 80% of the way dry, you don't want to brush it while it's wet. So you're just going to lay it flat to dry, okay, like so. And then once it is about 80% of the way dry, I'll show you on my 7-inch pony here, you can add some of the serum. So I just like to use a small little amount, okay? This is brand new, you guys. Okay. In my hands, it smells so fresh, so yummy. And then you're just going to add a little bit to your 7-inch pony or whatever piece that you have. And just add a little bit in there. And it really refreshes that piece. I love with the ponytails how it has that little bit of curl to it. So this really needs to be washed. So you just kind of twist and twirl, and it really refreshes and adds that shine and luster back in. And look how beautiful that is. And that's it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Thank you so much.